What's going on, guys? Joe with Smokin Joe's Pit Barbecue. So a couple of weeks ago, my daughter had a mariachi competition at Seguin High School in Seguin, Texas. And you guys know what else is in Seguin, Texas, right? That's right, Burnt Bean Company. My wife and I stopped by for their breakfast, and it was absolutely amazing. Check out this video. Hope you enjoy it. Looks good. What is that sandwich? Red October and Blue October? Wow.
All right, sell me 2 reds.
Does a menudo come with tortillas or bread?
It comes with tortillas.
Okay.
I haven't heard bread in a long time. That's
It's El
like
Paso, man.
grandma style, bro.
It's El Paso.
I was gonna say that. Jeepers. Ours is red down here.
Is it?
This is a red menu.
Yeah, that's good. Right here. I'm gonna get that hangover special.
See a hangover for here, please, next order?
The huevos rancheros,
Hold on, cheddar up in.
guisada taco, and molleja taco.
And what you have?
And I think that's it, right? And 2 drinks.
The drinks you purchase separately, yeah.
Okay.
It's gonna be cash or
Card.
card?
Oh, do you have that boudin sausage?
Yes. Let's push that red extra on.
Ooh, that's still a little soft, but
That's fine. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Man. Holy mackerel.
Looks good.
There you go, boss.
Wow.
And did you want any fixings for your tacos? I have everything on that board right there.
Can I get some cilantro and onions?
Yes, sir.
And then for the mollejas, like green salsa. Look at that.
I'm gonna go ahead and put the salsa on the side. Is that
That's
alright?
fine.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
There you are, man.
I think that boudin sausage is
Yes,
nice
sir.
too. Thank you, man.
You're welcome.
Alright guys, here's what we got. We got the brisket huevos rancheros. There's 3 or 4 slices of brisket in there. Over easy eggs with salsa. We got some sour cream, some queso fresco. Looks amazing. Got the mollejas taco. Got a guisada that looks amazing. Got a boudin sausage. We got the hangover special, which comes with looks like a large menudo and a pound of barbacoa as well. Fresh homemade tortillas. Oh yeah, this looks amazing. Let's give it a try. All right, guys, let's tap into these brisket huevos rancheros. Gonna try the brisket first. Looks amazing. Look at that. There we go. Ridiculously tender. Man, that brisket is really, really good. Look at this. With that salsa on there, or that sauce. I've been craving some really good brisket, and this is it. It's really good. All right, let's try that egg with the brisket and the crunchy tostada on the bottom, or tortilla. It's gonna be a big bite here. Look at that. I'm gonna make a mess, but here we go. There we go, big bite. Man, that is amazing. That tortilla is nice and crunchy, the way it should be. This reminds me of my mom's huevos rancheros. Minus the brisket, obviously, but it is super tasty. Listen to this crunch on the tortilla. All right, I'm gonna try this molleja taco. These are thymus glands. If you guys have never had them, they are amazing. And they do cut theirs pretty thick, but the key here is for it to be nice and tender. So let's see. Look at this giant taco, man. Huge taco. There we go. Super tender. Wow. All right, there's the carne guisada. And I love carne guisada, the way it's done down here in central to south Texas, I guess. Look at that. Big old chunks of meat going in. There we go. That was amazing. I don't know what meat they're using, if it's brisket, but it's really beefy. Amazing flavor. That carne guisada's got some really good flavor. It's not overpowered with the cumin. It's super tasty. All right, so I'm gonna try this menudo. Now I know this isn't for everyone, but I love menudo, and this looks absolutely amazing. There we go. Look at that. Wow. That sauce and the menudo, the red sauce, it's really rich, really good flavor. The meat is super tender. I like that they use the Mexican style hominy as well. Super tasty. So far, everything I've had is mind-blowing. I can see why they're ranked one of the top in Texas. I mean, this should be honestly #1, because I don't see a whole lot of barbecue joints doing this style of food, like a brunch, Mexican brunch style, but still leaving it barbecue. You can order barbecue if you want, but we came for the breakfast, and so far I gotta tell you, I am royally impressed. This is crazy. The line wasn't too bad when we got here. There was probably 10 people in front of us, and we got here at 7:45, and we walked right in, and it didn't take long. There was probably 50-60 people in line though, but the line moves pretty quick. Ernest is very welcoming. He's kind of makes you feel like you're at home, like at his house eating. He was dancing and cutting the meat and stuff, and his employees are happy, so I can see why he's successful. All right, so I did not like the brisket huevos rancheros, as you can tell. I licked the plate. You can see the my tongue stroked on the plate there. But that was absolutely amazing. So, all right, so next we're gonna try this boudin sausage. Looks amazing, nice and stuffed. And these are really large casings, probably 38mm casings. But look at that. Let's give it a try. Here we go. That's super tasty. It almost has a like a Tex-Mex twist to it. Look at that. This is delicious. It's got big old chunks of meat. I'm thinking that's brisket, but I could be wrong. But it is super tasty. All right, last but not least, let's try this barbacoa, aka beef cheeks. Look at this, guys. It's not greasy at all. Just gonna try some like this. Then we got the tortillas. We can make ourselves some tacos with cilantro and some onions. But look at that. There we go. That's good. Super tasty. All right, so this is their pit room right here. Looks like they got a M&M rotisserie. They're using some lump charcoal, oak blend for something. And there's their oak. Looks really nice. So it looks like they've got 2,000-gallon smokers in there, maybe. Let's go in there and take a look. All right, here's their pit room. Got the legend over there smoking away. Mill scale smokers. Nice and warm in here, at least.
Yeah.
So that's how you run these 2,000 gallons, huh? Wow.
And the rotisserie.
Yeah. All right, guys, so we just got done at the Burnt Bean Company, and that food was absolutely amazing. I can see why they're ranked one of the best. And you know, it's not just about the food, it's about the ambiance. So the one thing that I really liked about the Burnt Bean Company is that Ernest makes you feel at home. It's like you're at grandma's house on Sunday, eating huevos rancheros and menudo, listening to music in the background, just having fun with your family. That's exactly what it felt like eating here at the Burnt Bean Company. So if you guys are ever within an hour from this place, you have got to check it out and see for yourself. If you can make it on a Sunday, I would highly recommend it because their brunch is fantastic. Yes, you can also order some of their other meats, but I gotta tell you, the food that I ate was absolutely amazing. I would highly recommend it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If this is your first time to my channel, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Until next time, Joe with Smokin Joe's Pit BBQ. See ya.